So just using what you have already learned, it should be possible for you to do a few more things, and just based on the state machine idea and the concept of page transitions that we have already learned, you should be able to first of all ask the Wendy bot what you can get with your current balance, and based on the balance the bot should be able to give you different answers. And you should be able to ask for specific candy or specific product, and it should be able to provide it provided the balance is available. And finally, you should be able to ask it to return the balance, whatever you have added into the vending machine, and it should be able to return the correct balance. Okay, so the first assignment is to find out what you can buy with the current balance that you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say add a quarter, and you can see that it says you have entered state 25, and I'm going to say what can I get with my balance. You can see that it says your current balance is 25 cents. You can get a Snickers bar, which is the only thing you can get with 25 cents, right? Now I'm going to say add a quarter, and it says you have entered state 50, and now I can ask what can I get with my current balance. You can see that it says your current balance is 50 cents, and you can get a Snickers bar which is 25 cents or a Twix which is 50 cents. Let's go ahead and add one more quarter, and now it's in state 75, and now I can ask what can I get with my balance. And you can see that it says your current balance is 75 cents, and you can get a Snickers bar, a Twix or a Kit Kat. And this is your first assignment. Using just the concept of page transitions, you should figure out how you can build the bot so that it comes back with the responses that you have seen in this in the simulator demo that I've just shown you.